In this tutorial, you will learn how to generate a situation report or SITREP using the PRATUS AI agent, DisasterGPT. DisasterGPT provides rapid situational awareness within seconds. To initiate an AI-generated situation report, you will first need to create a section template and SITREP template. Although PRATUS comes with default section and SITREP templates, we will walk you through creating custom templates. Custom templates are helpful in providing DisasterGPT with organization-specific details. Let's begin by creating a section template. Navigate to the map, then go to Section Template and click the blue Add button. Enter a name for your section in the Section Name field, and choose a section type from the drop-down menu. If you select Manual Entry, simply click Save to complete the setup. If you select AI Summarized, open the Data Sources drop-down and check the appropriate source type. Then, click Choose File to upload a file that will help optimize the chat. Next, add an AI prompt to tailor the SITREP. This helps generate more relevant summaries. Select an output format. Choose between paragraph, table, or list. Then, click Save to finish creating a section template. Next, let's create a SITREP template. Start by opening the SITREP Template tab and clicking the blue Add button. In the Template Name field, enter a name that clearly describes the purpose of your SITREP, such as Oil Spill Response or Severe Weather Update. Now it's time to add the sections you want to include. These can be custom sections you created earlier in the Section Templates tab, or you can use the default options provided. Under Available Sections, click the Add button next to each section you want to include. As you add them, they'll appear under Selected Sections. Take a moment to review your selected sections. If you need to remove one, simply click the trash can icon next to its name. Once everything looks good, click Save to finalize the creation of the SITREP template. Now that your SITREP template is ready, let's walk through how to generate a SITREP using DisasterGPT. Start by opening the SITREPs tab and clicking the blue Add button. Next, select a SITREP template. You can choose the default SITREP or the custom template you just created. Enter a clear and descriptive name in the SITREP name field. Then add a description to help DisasterGPT focus its new search. This could include keywords like coastal impact, containment efforts, or wildlife monitoring. From the drop-down menu, select the relevant incident. Next, click File Sync to ensure all relevant files are up to date. Now, choose an Area of Responsibility, or AOR. If the AOR you need isn't listed, you can create a new one right from the SITREP tab. First, click the blue New AOR button, then enter the name and description. Then, click Edit Geolocation and define the area. Once your AOR is set, click the blue Save AOR button to confirm. Finally, click the blue Create button to generate your SITREP.